we're here in a warehouse for Warbird, which is the mothership, if you want to call it that. And behind me over here is a 32-foot Everglades tended to Warbird, and it's 2005, in good shape, but they decided it was time for a complete refit of the vessel. So they contacted us and reached out, and we have started the complete refit on the vessel. All right, come on up, let's take a look. Basically, they wanted to go ahead and redo the entire electrical, navigation, and all the peripheral equipment on the boat. Basically, try to bring it back to as if it's almost new. So we got stuck in, and we're about maybe halfway through, and still got a couple of weeks to go here to get this wrapped up. So some of the stuff we've started to do is a good example of some of the rewiring that we've done is in this aft area over here. And we've got some before photos of what it all looked like. So this is the back side of where the batteries are. So we're kind of doing all our connections on this side. If we walk around to the other side, you've got all your batteries inside here. We've got some brand new Odyssey batteries. Odyssey, great battery. You can see all the different switches that have been installed for the different battery banks, resettable breakers for the various equipment, the Humphrey system, the inverter that's going to be installed, your two main DCs, your windlass, your power steering. We have got a Victron battery charger. Over here we've got a Victron MPPT. We're going to be putting a small little solar panel on the roof. And this is kind of where all the battery connections, solenoids and terminations have taken place. All right, so this is the head area, and all the wiring you can see in here is going to be cleaned up and reconnected to the new switch panels. Just tidied up, cleaned up in general, get rid of any wires that aren't appropriate, any terminals that aren't appropriate. Just make it look factory back in this area as well. So basically, the crew have actually come up with their own mock-ups of what they intend the ultimate final system to look like. Have created some CAD drawing, PDF drawings for us to kind of use as a basis for what we're trying to achieve. They are handling all the fiberglass work, all the backing plate work, all the cutouts and all of that. And we're just handling ultimately the installation of equipment once that's all done. So we're currently waiting on the backing plates. We're hoping to have that by the end of this week. As well for up here, going to be new plates up here. Because as I mentioned, we are doing a full new Furuno navigation system as well. So chart plotter, displays, autopilot, XM antennas, radars, etc. So once we get the electrical done, we're going to switch gears and jump into the navigation side of things, including a stereo system as well on the vessel.